Hey Portable fans, so today I'm going to show you my squishy vending machine, and it is very ugly, and that is because I am too lazy to decorate it, but I'll decorate it once I find the time to do so. So I actually wanted to show you how to make it, but I filmed it halfway and then I stopped the filming. And then I wanted to film it the next day, and the whole thing got deleted. So I'm just going to show you all the completed product. But it's not decorated, it's really ugly. So here is my squishy vending machine. This is how it looks. There are some squishies inside. So that's that. And I'm just gonna show you how a demonstration, and then I'll show you how it works. So I'm gonna put a coin in the coin slot here. And then I'm going to turn this puddle knob. You can turn it whatever. You can turn it 90 degrees, 360 degrees, 180 degrees, whatever you want. It doesn't even need to be a complete circle. And then you're going to see a squishy here. As you can see, I have a pizza squishy. And the reason I'm not going to be using any real squishies is because my real squishies are actually downstairs in my bag, and I'm too lazy to go find my bag and take it. So I'm just going to be using ugly homemade squishies. So I'm going to show you how this works. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you the second demonstration. There's nothing here. There's just a paper because for the box which collects the coins, there's nothing. And then I turn the knob. I think I'm going to get 2 squishies because I turned the knob 2 times. As you can see here, I got a mini donut squishy. I'm gonna demonstrate it one more time because it's so fun to like twist this knob. And I have a chocolate bar. And I have... Oh, this one is so big, can't even fit through the collecting prize thing. I have a Minnie Mouse cookie. So I'm going to show y'all how it works. And then all the squishies will fall out. So as you can see, I have 2 shelves. Oh my goodness. The camera just flew a meter into the air. So here I have 2 shelves. And then I have a viewing thingy on the top. And then I have a bottle, which when you twist it, it will turn, allowing the squishy to fall and be there. And then I have a coin collecting thing where it collects your coins. And I have my 20 cents in there. So yeah, this is really simple and took me really like little time to make. And I will decorate it soon.